happy at the same time, nervous gihapon.
Alright, so you have to pick now a number between 1 to 5 for the judge's name to ask you the question. Okay, judge 1 to 5. Give me a number.
Number 1,
Judge number 1.
And our judge number 1, Mr. Norman Sarsoho. Sanhorho, sorry.
Hello. Magiging tatunganan. Ako ang question is, for example, imuhang anak o imuhang bana, kung magsakay mo o sa ka barko, mutabog mo or sa laing isda, for example, malunod, unsay imong unahon o tabang sa imong pamilya?
I think kung mahitabo na namo nga situation, I would not choose between my husband and my children because both of them are important and I will save them by all by means, by hook or by crook. Ako silang i-save. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hot Mama. Number 7. Please move forward. Hot Mama number 9. Hot Mama number 9, for your final question, you have to pick between number 2, 3, 4, and 5.
I pick number 3.
Our judge number 3.
Our judge number 3, Miss Jenke Ayeng.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Our question is, how do you handle family crisis? Kaya mong pamilya?
Pwede i-translate to kung ano
Sige, sige.
Bisaya ka.
Ang sa huli mo pag kanang ang sa ano pagdala ang imuhang problema sa pamilya? Harap.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful questions. Ang pagdala na ko sa akong pamilya sa family crisis is a smile every day. Do not let the problems conquer you as a mother. Because I have a mother, I am a mother, and I have a dreams for my children that it will be a line for them in the future. And to be a mother, I will serve my family, my husband, my children, and not just my family itself, but to serve also my community because being just a mother, dili mo ipasabot nga anhara ta palibot sa atong pamilya mahimong usa ka example sa atong kanang kalisod or sa atong family crisis. It could be also in our community crisis. And that would be all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, our Hot Mama 9. And now, friends, we continue with our final question and answer portion with our next finalist, Hot Mama 8. Good evening, Hot Mama 8.
Good evening.
Alright, so you have to pick between these numbers, 2, 4, or 5.
2.
Judge number 2.
Judge number 2, Miss Christine Marie Gastardo Lozano.
Good evening. Hot mama number 8. Okay. So my question is, as a woman, we played a different role in the family. As a wife, as a mother, and a playmate to our children. So, usa ka babae, natay lain-lain nga role sa pamilya, di ba? Mother, kanang sa atong mga anak, o usa ka asawa. So, ikaw, for example, ma-stress ka, how do you cope up with stress nga dili masakripisyo ang kaayuhan sa inyong family?
Pasensya. Pasensya ang atong ikuan sa atong kaugalingon para kita dili ta mahimong kuan sa atong kaugalingon siya na dapat smile always para sa ato ang i-separate ato ang problema sa bata o problema sa panimalay. That would be all. Thank you.
Daghang salamat, our finalist, Hot Mama number 8. We're down now to our Hot Mama number 2. Good evening, Hot Mama number 2. Alright, so you have to pick between these numbers, 4 or 5. Number 5 is our chairwoman of the Board of Judges. We have Miss Angelo Anduloy.
Hi, contestant number 2. Okay, here's your question. What does it mean to you when someone calls you as hot mama? Again, what does it mean to you when someone calls you hot mama?
Para nako, usa ka dili lang ingon nga hot mama. So, dili ka mag-ingon nga ang usa ka hot mama is dili maka-provide sa usa ka pamilya. So, hot mama is not only for sweet and love and muhatag gihapon o lambing sa atong pamilya, labi na sa atong anak. So, dili lang kami ingon nga ang usa ka hot mama is dili makaatiman sa atong usa ka pamilya ug labi na sa atong anak.
Thank you so much, our Hot Mama 2. And completing our top 5 finalists, we have Hot Mama 1. Good evening, Hot Mama 1.
Good evening again.
Alright, so we have no choice, but our last judge will be asking you the question. We have judge number 4, Ms. Rizelmi Daniel.
Hello, good evening, contestant number
Good evening,
1.
ma'am.
Okay, so my question first, very easy. So, for you as a mother, what is the best definition within your own word? As a mother, definition in your own sentences.
Okay, thank you for that very nice question. But before I answer that question, once again, good evening to all of you, especially to the Board of Judges. Para sa ko, akong definition sa inahan, mao ang responsable nga pagkainahan. Kabaw, moatiman sa iyang mga anak, kabaw, moatiman sa iyang bana, o naapad yun. Dili sa ingon ha na ang bana lang mo'y haligi sa atong tahanan, maunay maningkamot. Para sa ko both side, mother and father maningkamot. Para dili maalkansi atong mga anak, makapalit ka silang gustong paliton. Maura na, thank you.
Thank you so much, Hot Mama 1. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful way to conclude our competition with our final question and answer portion. We have just witnessed how